Before starting this work opportunity discussion, I would like to introduce you something about the company and project itself. The company name is Prologic Web Solutions Private Limited. It's a web development company which was established in Delhi NCR in Noida Sector 63, H Block, plot number 183. From the same place, we are dealing in multiple domain, like some of them are from IT and non-IT as well. If you talk about the company experience in the market, we are running this company since 2012. The owner and director of this company is Mr. Mayank Jain, who is ex DRDO scientist as well. So after completion of his term and tenure with DRDO, he has started this company in 2012. We have our another office in USA as well, in the name of 24 into 7 support. So we work from both the location, but currently you will be hired for the domestic location for India itself, and the project for which you will be working is GST Suvidha Kendra. Now let's talk about GST Suvidha Kendra. What it all about? So basically, GST Suvidha Kendra is a digital business platform which offers 400 plus digital services to the people who are looking for any kind of digital business and are willing to start any new digital business. So they get into this opportunity. Once they are interested to establish GST Suvidha Kendra, they have to get GST Suvidha Kendra authorization license, which will validate them to run this project GST Suvidha Kendra at their native location for 25 years. So once GST was introduced in India in 2017, we came up with this project GST Suvidha Kendra. As I already told you, the company is web development company, so we developed this project in-house. Total in-house management is controlled here in the same office where this company is established in Noida itself. So this project GST Suvidha Kendra comes with customer relationship management portal. That portal is given to any of the working professionals, those who are connecting with GST Suvidha Kendra project. They get into that portal, login, they'll get login credential and all from our side. They'll log into the portal and they'll able to sell 400 plus services to their customers. The services are like GST, accounting, auditing, taxation, insurance, loan, money transfer, AEPS, bill payment, recharge, PAN card, Udyog Aadhaar registration, food license registration, trademark registration, saving and current account opening of several banks, as well as credit card, uh, selling credit card of several banks. So there are multiple 400 plus services. Naming all the services right now, it may be a little hectic and time taking. So I'll guide you where you can get the proper description of each 400 plus services. Now, as you must be aware of this Bollywood celebrity, his name is Anupam Kher. So he is our brand ambassador of this project, GST Suvidha Kendra. Since last 3.5 years, he is branding this project. In market, if you talk about this project, we are running this project since last 4.5 years. And currently, if you see the current market scenario is like we have active 40,000 GST Suvidha Kendra franchisee owners in India, those who are running this franchisee. So this was a brief introduction about the company and the project and the branding and brand ambassador. Let's begin with the work opportunity discussion. The purpose of this webinar is to make you aware about the work opportunities which we are offering for our candidates, those who are willing to start their work from their home location, from their comfort home location. So there are multiple work opportunities. Again, I'll say it's very difficult for us to explain all the work opportunities which we hold for work from home candidates. In this webinar, I'll be only discussing two work opportunities. First one will be data entry executive, and the second one will be sales executive. So I'll get through each every point of discussion for these two opportunities. After my discussion, I'll also give you chance to ask your question, your queries, which you may ask through the chat option of this webinar panel. For the rest of work opportunities like which we hold on this working portal, I'll guide you. First of all, I'll brief you about those work opportunities and I'll guide you how you can get connected with another groups or WhatsApp groups where you can get proper webinar link to get proper understanding of those work opportunities. So please, there is one request from my side. In between, when I'm discussing any topic, if you ask any query or if you have any question, please have patience. I'll give you chance to ask your question, your queries. At the time when I command you to ask your question, your queries, you may ask there. If you ask presently, if I'm discussing something and you ask any question, it may skip from my side. So just take care of this. I already told you we have many other work opportunities, which I'll just brief you in ongoing session. Otherwise, if you want to get more details about those work opportunities, I'll guide you where you can get into, where you can join those WhatsApp group to get into those work opportunities in details. This question must be coming in your mind, guys. As I already told you, the company itself is in market since last 12 and a half years. And the project GST Suvidha Kendra, we are running this project since 4.5 years. So having such a good experience and good market presence, like I already told you, we have a 40,000 GST Suvidha Kendra franchisee in Pan India. So we have a good market presence, right? In 4.5 years, if we have 40,000 GST Suvidha Kendra, that's a good number. So why we are looking for candidates, those who are willing to start their work from their home. In this time where big MNCs, big companies are even calling their permanent employees to start their work from office location, uh, then why we are offering this work opportunity to you for home? To understand this, first of all, you should understand the proper scenario of GST Suvidha Kendra, how it works, and why we need you over there. Why we need you, such people, those who are willing to start their work from home location. Give me one reminder message, guys. I hope my voice is uh, properly audible to you all, and also my computer screen is visible, right? Give me a message. Yeah, okay, thank you. So as you can see here, this is one of the example of our franchisee owners outlet. So anyone who is purchasing GST Suvidha Kendra franchisee from us, they are going to open an outlet like this. They'll get a customer relationship management portal. On that portal, the 400 plus services, what I just told you just few minutes ago. So those services will be listed. Not only services, along with the services, the training program and the marketing guidance, everything is given to them on the same portal, customer relationship management portal. Now, for an example, if any layman starts this project who doesn't know anything about GST, taxation, insurance, loan, he only understands that I can sit on computer, I can do some work on computer, and I have some market presence so that customer can visit me if I have some like outlets, or if I have something to give them, right? To sell them basically. So if they have, if they are aware of basic computer knowledge and they have market presence, they understand market uh, people properly, they can generate footfall towards their business outlets. They can start GST Suvidha Kendra franchise. So the minimum requirement is anyone who is willing to start this franchisee outlet, he or she should be having 18 plus age, and he or she should be possessing a Indian citizenship. Otherwise, the possibilities is negligible of getting GST Suvidha Kendra. Now, once anyone get GST Suvidha Kendra at at their place, they'll able to sell 400 plus services to their customers. For providing those services, as they are lame and they doesn't understand anything about the GST and taxes and anything in detail, so they'll be given training. We have 52 lectures of training. We have a proper training departments to train them how to sell those 400 plus services to their customers. Now, one question again must be arising in your mind. So those customers who will be selling those 400 plus services after training, whether they will be able to do the services by own on the portal? No. As I already told you, 90 to 95% of people doesn't know anything about the taxation, loan, or any other thing. So for them, we have a proper back-end team setup. We have a team of chartered accountants, finance, tax advocates, loan, insurance, and other departments are also there to help them in providing services outcome to their customers. So their work is, our franchisee outlets honest work is to get their customer service, make a order through CRM portal, upload all the required valid documents on the portal. Now, once they complete this, rest of the work will be done from our end. The team is there. They'll coordinate with our franchisee owners, their team, and they'll give them the feedback related to the order. And once the order gets completed, they'll deliver them through mail and probably through CRM portal itself. So this is how this cycle works. So customer comes to our franchisee owners, they make a order, take documents from their customers, upload the document, rest of the work will be done from our end. The team who is sitting here in head office, they do the things. And once uh, order is completed, they'll deliver it to the our owners, our franchisee owners, and they'll deliver it to their customers. So this is the cycle, working cycle of GST Suvidha. Anyone who is willing to start new digital business can start anywhere, no matter from which state he belongs or from which district he belongs. He can start anywhere in India. So there is no obligation of address. If he or she is having address of Karnataka and they want to start their business outlet in Tamil Nadu, they can start it. Okay. As I already told you about this project outlets, there are 40,000 GST Suvidha Kendra franchises on pan-India level. Why we are looking for you? We are just looking for those candidates, those who are self-enthusiastic, willing to earn and learn at the same time, and well focused, like just giving minimum time. Even if you are able to give 3 to 4 hours to the project which I am just going to discuss you, on which you have to work, that's enough. We are not asking your 9 to 10 hours of time daily. Even we are not giving you any target that you have to make this target every day. We are not giving you any target. So you are free, but will guide you how to work on these opportunities. We have certain aim, guys. To fulfill our aim, we need people who are going to start their work opportunities from their native location. So our aim is to provide 3 to 4 GST Suvidha Kendra on every pin code in India. As you must be aware of this, in India there are 18,000 pin codes. So we have a good good time period to explore the opportunities. Still, we have 40,000 GST Suvidha Kendra in Pan India, so we have more to explore. Not only this, our vision and mission is to provide employment and work opportunities. With the same vision and mission, we are owner of this company started this company, right? Definitely, you people are looking for work from home opportunity. That's why you are connected in this webinar. So let's explore the job opportunities offered by Prologic Web Solutions Private Limited for its project GST Suvidha Kendra. Mainly, I'll be discussing these two work opportunities, data entry executive and the sales executive. Both are comparatively similar in nature. There is as you can read from the screen itself. Are you an active social media user looking for an exciting opportunity to engage with your followers while earning some extra income? We have a perfect job for you. Why I'm saying this, I'll explain it in next slide. When let's first explore the job description of data entry executive. What job description you need to fulfill to work as a data entry executive with Prologic Web Solutions Private Limited. I have divided it into 4 parts. The first one is task, the second one is objective, the third one is entry count, the fourth one is compensation. Now the task says what all tasks you need to perform while working as a data entry executive with Prologic Web Solutions Private Limited. As I know, some of you must be having experience in data entry executive work. They understand the work procedure and other thing. Some of you are maybe some of you are fresher also, those who have joined this webinar. So for fresher as well as for experience, both for both of you, this work opportunity, data entry executive work opportunity will be new, I think, because as an experienced guy for data entry executive, I have done several 80 webinar I have done for this work opportunities, and more or less every guy want to say that the data entry executive work what you is suggesting is totally different from what we have done, right? So I just used to ask them what work opportunity you have done while data entry executive. They would used to say we get set up data to enter the data into system, as well as we sometimes get some set of data to manipulate it, arrange it, make a sequence or make a certain arrangement according to the need of organization so that it could be used in organization revenue generation. So yeah, this is true. This is one of the work of data entry executive. Apart from that, there is one most important prime work of data entry executive is to generate the data of the customers for the organization so that it can also be contributed in revenue generation for the organization. So here, what we offer you is generating data of those customers, those who are willing to start that uh, new business opportunity, or those who are looking for new business opportunity, or whether it's digital or physical. It depends. Both people can join this business program, GST Suvidha Kendra. By saying this, I mean to say the work opportunity of data entry executive which we offer includes data generation of those people, those who are looking for any kind of digital business. For this, what all tasks you need to perform? You need to connect with those audience, those who are looking for new business opportunity. To connect with them, you need to do some work. Like you need to do a conversation to communicate them the project GST Suvidha Kendra so that they can get aware of this and they can apply for GST Suvidha Kendra. To do this, if you think as a layman, it's a very long process. You'll find a lead, you'll talk to them and try to convert them so that they can apply for GST Suvidha Kendra. But this is a layman thinking. But as a web development company, we have designed this process much more simpler. For that, for communicating to your audience, we have a plan that you just use your social media platform. If you are active on Facebook, Instagram, Telegram, LinkedIn, any of the social media platform, you are good to do this work. We are not asking that you should be having good number of followers. If you have good number of followers, that's added advantage. But if you don't have, no need to worry. I'll guide you how you can generate data easily. Practically, I have done the same, and I'll explain you how you can do that, right? So, what content you will be sharing through social media so that people can apply for this project? We have already designed a unique URL of GST Suvidha Kendra official site. Along with that URL, you need to write some convincing code so that people gets compelled to click on the shared URL, which will be sharing through your social media platform. So what may be the like what are the possibilities which you can write so that people gets compelled? I'll show you practically what may be the code which you may write so that people gets compelled to click on your shared URL. For working as a data entry executive, I hope I just want to confirm. I think all of you have got this portal link, right? Through mail or any of WhatsApp message, text message. I think all of you have got this portal link, and some of you must have registered on it also. In case you haven't registered, use this link, log in with Google to directly register, or otherwise fill all these details, check this box and sign up. Use your login credential to log in again. Okay, there is sign in option to log in. Use your login credential to log in. I have already logged in my portal. This once you log into this portal, you will be on this dashboard. Here you can see there are many work opportunities. First one is data entry executive, sales executive. You can become a loan agent. You can become a credit card executive. You can even become an IRCTC agent. You can apply your people instant loan. So I'll explain brief about them, but in depth I'll go through data entry executive and sales executive work only. So while working as a data entry executive, you need to click on drop down menu. There you'll find your links. You need to click on it. You'll be able to see there are several unique URLs. These unique URLs differs in the sense that they are connected with different type of posters. As you can see, every URL have different posters connected to them, right? What is the need of providing these posters? The only need is to, once you are targeting your audience to apply for GST Suvidha Kendra, if you are aware that the targeted audience is female, use this link. If targeted audience is any male professionals, use this link. If targeted audience is any female business professionals, use this link. So for an example, I'll be using this link. Okay, I'm targeting any female audience. To target the audience through social media, I'll use my Facebook account. As you can see, this is my Facebook account, right? If I have number of followers, if I have number of good people, those who are connected with me on Facebook, I'll also write the post directly on my page, Facebook page. Here I may write, are you looking for any digital business opportunity, or are you into any digital business? I have a better business opportunity for you. To know more, click on link below. Here, as you can see, I was not aware that the post which I am writing here, the audience will be looking this post, whether they are layman, whether they are business owners, or maybe they are fresher, they are looking for any kind of work, right? So directly after writing this statement, I'll paste the link. Once I paste the link, automatically the connected poster will be reflected, as you can see, right? What all the information this link contains, I'll show you practically. So now I wrote a post. I'll click on post, and it will be posted on my Facebook official page. So this is one way. If I am having a good number of followers, I can use like this. If I don't have good number of followers, I'll directly go to the search option in any of my social media account. There I'll write like my target audience is any owner who is any business owners, those who are already into some kind of digital business, or those who are looking for new digital business. Those are my audience, right? I need to compel them only to apply for GST Suvidha Kendra, because they will be the perfect audience who may get GST Suvidha Kendra franchise. So I'll use only those keywords to search some of the public groups where number of peoples are already connected and they are member of that group, those who are into some kind of digital business or looking for new digital business. So as you must be aware of some kind of digital business like Airtel payment bank. This is one digital business opportunity. There is another one, pay nearby, right? There is another one, Aspires money, right? There is another one, CAC center, right? Jan Suvidha Kendra. So these are some of the groups, and those groups are public. Like I just searched Jan Suvidha Kendra, right? Just allow me a moment. Just I wrote Jan Suvidha Kendra, I'll click here. I'll find several groups, several Facebook groups. These are the page. Let me write here more precisely groups. So there is no groups of Jan Suvidha, right? CAC groups. Here you can see there are multiple groups. Here 12,000 members are already there. I have joined this group. CAC Valley Help Desk group, CAC e-governance service. So you can find out several CAC related groups. This business CAC is also a digital business opportunity, which is similar to GST Suvidha Kendra. So what I'll do, I'll join this group. I have already joined it. I'll visit to this group. There I'll find to write something. Here I'll write this. Are you looking for any digital business opportunity or are you into some kind of digital business? I have a better opportunity for you. To know more, click on the link below. So the people who are into this group, they are already looking for business or into some kind of business. Definitely they'll find some time to click on the link to get more knowledge about the project. Once they click on the link, which you are sharing through your social media, what all information they'll able to gather. Suppose they clicked on this link, what all information they'll able to see. Once they click on link, they'll be on our official site where they can see first of all the branding video of our brand ambassador Anupam K. The toll-free number through which they can connect with our GST Suvidha Kendra experts. They can write an email. Our team is there who will be reverting them on through mail address if they are connecting with us. They can come to our head office. We have given our office location. They can download this business proposal, what we are proposing them. They can go through the service, our partners, training materials, what we'll be giving them, what all other type of softwares along with GST Suvidha Ken softwares, every knowledge we have given on this official site, which they can go through easily. If after going through all these details, if they find some query, some question regarding this project, they can connect with us through the toll-free number. Our experts are there. They'll talk to them. They'll try to explain them everything. After getting satisfied properly, if they think that this business opportunity is great, let's apply for it. So they'll click on apply now. Once they click on apply now, they'll be landing on the separate page, a form page where they need to fill all their details, their name, their mail address, their phone number, which should be OTP verified, their profession, whether they are looking for a job or business, their postal code. They need to check this box. After that, they need to submit it. Once they submit it, their details will be captured. The people who all are applying for this business, their details will be captured. And as a data entry executive, your work is also completed. As a data entry executive, if details of your applicant are captured, you can track them in your leads section here. Once you click on your leads, you can find all of your applicants details, those who are applied for GST Suvidha Kendra. Now what next? Once details are captured, that means lead is generated, data is generated, you will be compensated for that. There is no fixed salary for working as a data entry executive or sales executive or any of the work opportunities for work from home. So you'll be getting commission part. Once data is generated, you'll be getting commission. So what will be the commission? For that, you can click on how it works. There you'll find 5 rupees of commission will be given to for each lead generation. For each data capturing, you'll be getting 5 rupees. So is it your final earning? No. This is not your final earning. For the same lead, for the same data capturing, you can earn plus. For that, what you need to do, you need to do you just need to wait. Our sales team, those who are sitting here in our head office, they talk to those customers, those lead the applicants leads which you are generating through by sharing on social media. Those applicants will be given to our team, sales team will talk to them, try to convert them into successful sale. They'll try to sell GST Suvidha Kendra franchisee. If sale gets completed successfully, you are going to earn 250 rupees additional. I mean to say, in a day, if you are able to generate 10 leads, that means your earning is 50 rupees for lead generation or for data capturing. Apart from that, within those 10 leads, if 2 leads gets converted, that means per conversion will give you 250 rupees. On total, it's 500 rupees. So in a day, if you calculate your total earning for from conversion as well as data capturing, your total earning is 550 rupees. So this is how data entry work is done from our portal, and which Prologic Web Solutions offers to every candidate, those who are willing to start their work from their home location. In case if you want to get some more idea about GST Suvidha Kendra, to learn some more details about it, we have another tab called GST Suvidha Kendra. Click on it. There you'll find concept option, free resources. These two are totally free to get every pinch of knowledge about GST Suvidha Kendra. There is one paid course also. Although it's totally optional, we are not asking you to go for this course. It's not mandatory. But if you want to learn more, this course has this contents. This course official price is 5,000 rupees, but we are offering this to you in 100 rupees. To get this into 100 rupees, you need to apply this coupon by copying the coupon, going to the preferred language course, applying this coupon and checking out by paying 100 rupees. Once you pay the amount, you will be on the dashboard of the course where you will find content option. Click on content. There in drop down menu, you will find several videos related to this topics. Watch all those videos. After watching those videos, it will ask you to give one final quiz. Once you pass that quiz, you will be given a proper certificate from GST Suvidha Kendra. So this is how you can learn about GST Suvidha Kendra and the work opportunity as data entry executive. Now, one most important part which I have left with, the earning made by you while working on any of the work opportunities will be added in my wallet. Here you can find in balance section every earning earned by you while working on any of the work opportunities will be added, and their transaction details will be shown here. Once you want to withdraw the amount, you can use this transaction details to withdraw. Once you withdraw that amount to your bank account details, it will be deducted from balance and will be credited to paid balance. So this is how you can withdraw your amount while working on this portal. But before withdrawing the amount, there is one mandatory thing which you need to do. You need to give your KYC details, your Aadhaar number, PAN number, front and back side of your Aadhaar image, front side of your PAN image, as well as a bank account details. the bank which you want to link with this portal, in which you want to amount, in which you want your amount to be withdrawn, you need to add that bank account details. So this is all about data entry executive work offered by Prologic Web Solutions Private Limited. If you have any question, please write down your question in the chat box.